Why is it rare that criminal cases go to trial? Comment below, let us know what you think regarding the subject matter at hand. So, John Francis asks, why is it almost always the case, that a criminal matter resolves in a plea deal instead of going to jury trial? Well, that's a very good question. There are two basic answers. Number one, risk. Because if you go to trial, there's no more negotiation. You go to trial, you could potentially get the maximum sentence for the offense. That's number one. Number two, there's also the cost of going to trial. In other words, a criminal lawyer, a private lawyer, will charge you a lot to take the case to a jury trial. Part of the reason why a criminal lawyer will charge you a lot for taking his case to a jury trial, or taking your case to a jury trial, is not just because you are paying for his services to take your case for a jury trial, but also you have to pay for the fact that he's not taking on other cases while handling your jury trial. Especially if a law firm has a relatively large volume, it's going to cost you that much more money to take your case to trial, because if you're going to trial for 2 weeks, let's say the attorney has to be in court for 2 weeks, going to trial, well, then that's 2 weeks that he's not at his office seeing new clients to pick up new cases. So that's going to be a huge part of the cost, probably more so of the cost than the cost for the actual service. Now, going back to the legal reason why is because the risks are high. Let's say you get accused of a DUI. You didn't do it. Let's say you didn't do it. But the DA says, well, if you plead guilty or no contest to this offense, you're looking at 2 days county jail, some fines, and DUI school. You say you didn't do it. Okay, fine. But let's say they find you guilty anyway. You're looking at 6 months in the county jail. Well, somebody's given the option of either 2 days of community service versus 6 months in county jail will say, well, I'm innocent, but I'm not going to take that risk. That's a big part of the reason, too. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Have a good day.